This is the brand new Transit Connect Limited. This model is the L2 240 1.5 120 PS engine. This is the limited model, so it is relatively high spec. You do have in this one a heated driver's seat. It also comes with automatic lights, automatic wipers. You get cruise control on here as well, air conditioning, DAB radio, and a colour touchscreen as well. So this particular model also comes with Ford's low protection kit in the lower half of the van. It also comes with Ford's Easy Clean floor and LED lighting to make it more visible to see in the back of your van. This vehicle also comes with a reversing camera and reversing sensors. It has the 16-inch alloy wheels there as well, and of course the passenger side loading door. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, just give us a call on 01524 598 598 or come down to our showroom in Morecambe. Thank you.